Why do couples fight? The real reason may surprise you. It is not because of differences of opinion. It's not even because it's the same old argument again and again. The real reason is because one or both partners feel unheard. One or both partners are trying to get a message across, but no one is really listening, and that can change any conversation into a heated argument or a fight. When you don't feel heard, your brain perceives a threat and it causes a fight or flight response. Now, for instance, both partners are trying even harder to be heard and conflict escalates. The next time you disagree, don't focus on winning. Focus on helping each other feel heard. Take turns. The one talks and the other listens without interrupting, defending, correcting, or offering advice or opinions, and then switch. You may discover that as long as both of you feel heard, differences of opinion cannot change into heated arguments or fights. For more detail on exactly how to help each other feel heard, visit our website.